Hello, I'm Dan Linewall, Enterprise Account Manager at KIS. For over 32 years, KIS has been operating under one guiding philosophy. Creating customer satisfaction will lead to a thriving and sustainable business model. At KIS, our key differentiators have been the hallmark of our success. They include our diversified portfolio of best-of-breed hardware and software products, our highly qualified and experienced in-house technical staff, who are second to none, and finally our unsurpassed commitment to helping our customers to do more with less and bringing them more value than we take in return. KIS has been serving our customers for 32 years, and our stability as an organization allows them to feel confident that we are here to serve them today and for the years ahead. While many organizations have a revolving door of personnel, KIS provides continuity to our customers by maintaining a very high retention rate of our talented staff. Let KIS be your one-stop shop for all of your technology needs. We have tremendous expertise across many disciplines, from security to cloud, infrastructure, endpoint, data center, storage, and general IT consulting. I'd like to share with you a few of our most important strategic partnerships. There simply isn't time to go through our entire line card, but here are just a few. VMware, Dell, Microsoft, Palo Alto Networks, Western Digital, Cisco, and Barracuda. Thank you so much for taking a look at KIS. I invite you to take the next step. Give us a call and arrange a meeting with one of our sales representatives and one of our engineers. I promise you, it will be time well spent.